And another thing I'd like to say is that I got a lot of these aluminum fittings with this head, and with the very pressure on these ABA clips, Jubilee clips or hose clamps, I would recommend trading over to brass if you can find them. I got this off of a square SEF jug. But what I did was I took these fittings off and I put a what's called a, what is that? It's a bolt tightener or something, whatever. I put one here, and then I used a bunch of black tape, which I can't find. That's alright. Sure is nice out here. It's going to be absolute hell pretty quick. So I'm going to use the brass on the fitting right there, and I'm still looking for this bent piece of hose. What I'm going to do with this hose today, I thought about it, I'm going to get a set of vice grips and I'm going to bend this a little bit, you know, like pre-bend it, and then leave it in the sun and see if I can maybe pre-form it. If anyone has a way to take this solid hose and pre-form it so that it doesn't kink, I'd appreciate it. I looked for all kinds of 15-degree fittings. I looked for everything that I could do to make this hose straight or whatever, and at Home Depot I couldn't find shit. I don't know, Home Depot just, I'd either find the fitting I need in plastic. Well, I don't need it in damn plastic, I need it in brass. Or they'd have this look just like this, and they'd have an inch taper on it. So anyway, that's where I am right now. This is the, I don't know if you can see it, but we'll look at it. This is the work that Blade did yesterday. It was my neighbor. He's been telling me I should go down and see his shop down on the outskirts of town. I never have, and then I went up over to see him yesterday and just left him a small note what I needed done. And it wasn't that the kid, that's what I call him because I can't remember names, it wasn't that the kid did the job, it's that he did it so damn well. If he does it so damn well on a little pissant scooter stand, what could he do with other things? So I'm always looking for that. Alright, I'm going to pull this part, and I'm going to, I gotta get ready for work. God, it's beautiful out here, but it's going to be hotter than hell in about two hours. Okay.